Easter comes with joy, fun, and unfortunately a bit of a mess, but don't worry, we've got you covered with quick Easter cleaning tips. Ready to tackle that post-Easter clutter? Let's get started. First things first, tackle the trash. Do a quick sweep through the house and collect all leftover Easter decorations and any other trash. Removing all clutter before starting the cleaning process is crucial. With the trash out of the way, you have a clear starting point for a thorough clean. Next, focus on high-traffic areas. Prioritize cleaning the most visible areas like the living room, kitchen, and entryway. These spots tend to catch the eye, so tidying them up can create a dramatic visual transformation. Vacuum the floors, wipe the countertops, and arrange the clutter. By focusing on these areas, you'll make a big visual difference in no time. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solo act. If you live with others, delegate tasks. Divide and conquer, assign the kitchen to one, living room decorations to another, and so forth. This fosters efficiency and camaraderie. Remember, teamwork makes the cleaning dream work. And that's it. Tackle trash, focus on high-traffic areas, delegate tasks. Thank you for watching. Here's to a clean and clutter-free home this Easter.